If you're interested in making money online, if you're interested in growing a YouTube channel, this video is one that you're going to want to watch. Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce, and this video is about my pick of the week. And also, I'm going to get to a couple of shout-outs. I love to give shout-outs. In order to qualify for the shout-out drawing, all you need to do is give us a like and a comment. That's all you need to do, and that will qualify you for the shout-out drawing, which I do twice a week. You will find a link below to the shout-out rules if you want to learn more. My pick of the week is usually an internet marketing product that is a product, a service, an opportunity, something that I feel is of outstanding value. And this week is outstanding. And the tool is one that will help you with your script. If you're a YouTuber, it will help you with your script to make a better script. It will help you with your post or your web page or your article, etc. if you're an internet marketer, if you're trying to make money online. Sure, it should help just about anyone that is online because it's going to help you to create better content. So the name of the tool is Hemingway app. It's the Hemingway app, and I'm going to share that with you. So let's get right to it. And before we get to it, I just want to remind you that this channel is about helping you to grow a YouTube channel and making money online. So if that's of interest to you, consider subscribing and ringing the bell so you don't miss out on videos like this. Let's get right to the Hemingway app. And I've taken us to the web page where you can find out more about this. And there'll be a link below, of course, and it's the Hemingway app, which is my pick of the week, and also a couple of free shout-outs. And what I want to share with you is a little bit about the Hemingway app, and you can kind of see it in action. This is the Hemingway app itself, and this is their content, you might say, and you can replace it with your own content. But it gives you some idea as to what is wrong and how to correct it. And then this is an IBO press release that I had made, and this is what Hemingway said was wrong. And basically I just clicked on what Hemingway to correct it. I just clicked omit and so on, and what it did is I scored as high as possible with Hemingway, and there's a drop down if you're looking for like letter count, character count, word count, as well as even sentences and paragraphs. It's going to give you a total count. It's also going to give you a readability, a grade, and I believe grade 6 is as high as you can get, but it'll give you it'll help you to grade that as well, and it is free. Let's go ahead and get to the shout-outs. And we are at Randomize, and Randomize is a random list picker as well as a random name picker. I've loaded the names. First winner is Andy Dawson from YouTube. Congratulations, Andy. The next winner is Gregory Osborne from IBO. Congratulations, Gregory, on being a shout-out winner. And the shout-out winners, as I mentioned, are Andy Dawson and Gregory Osborne. And Andy, this is a snapshot of his YouTube page. Andy creates live original songs as well as remakes and covers, and he does this with Ableton Live, or Ableton. And he breaks them down into different categories, as well as gives you kind of a sneak peek as to how he does it, which this is quite interesting. I've also included his most recent song, which is Are You Ready? And it is an original, and I think you really enjoy it. So I invite you to click the link below so you can visit this page, or you can also click, you'll find a link to his YouTube channel. There'll also be a link to his YouTube channel below. So either way, you can access his songs, and if you like them, which I think you will, go ahead and subscribe. Gregory Osborne comes to us from YouTube. He's been on YouTube for almost 8 years, and what Gregory does is he specializes in opportunities and online opportunities. And you can see from his press releases, and this is a recent press release here, which is about Traftron. And Traftron is quite an opportunity because it seems to be all-inclusive. So it's going to help you all the way from leads to support to product and more. So you'll find a link below as well as on this page to access Gregory's profile page, and I invite you to visit his profile page and read his press releases. Gregory, Osborne, and Andy Dawson, thank you again. I appreciate your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Ring that bell. Again, allow me to say thank you for watching. I sincerely appreciate it, and I wish you much success.